Hello, welcome back. A lot of my parents, followers, clients, the children's individuals are asking me, will I, in my life have a love marriage or a arranged marriage, right? A lot of confusions. So it's plain and simple, but we need to see your, that 4-5 charts which I say regularly in terms of Lagna chart, Dasha chart, Bhapchali chart, Chandra Kundli, Sun Kundli, your Dasha Kundli, right? All the 6 charts you need to verify on the 6 directions, right? And when you are looking for a love marriage or a arranged marriage, accordingly you need to take the decisions, right? If you want further information, do subscribe to my channel for personal consultations, solutions, guidance and remedies, not just predictions, right? Solutions, guidance and remedies. See the description links and comments below. So I was saying on love marriage versus arranged marriage, right? So you need to see your 5th Kaspal sublord, that nakshatra lord, upnakshatra lord, right? If your upnakshatra lord is showing 5th house, right? So then probably you'll have a love marriage, and then if you are getting the permissions of your parents and everything, it will be arranged marriage. But if it is 7th Kaspal sublord, right, from the Bhapchali, from the KP chart, right, then it is most probably arranged marriage, right? So these are the basic 2 conditions. But as I said, you need to look from all the 6 angles, from your Dasha Lagna, Navamsha chart, Bhapchali chart, Sun Kundli, Chandra Kundli and Lagna chart, and then take the decision accordingly, and it based on the placement, aspect and conjunctions also, right? So number 1 Astrologer Vaastu Dr. Satya signing off. Have a nice day and keep watching my rest of the videos.